found the combination with Beyonce and Shakira from Beautiful Liar video. She's one of my most favorite music videos of all time, actually. Before I teach you, please hit subscribe and like and follow and all that good stuff, and then I can teach you, okay? Thank you. Weekly releases. Okay, first of all, before we get started, you're gonna wanna warm up first, please. I'm gonna go straight into the combination with this. I've got lots of videos on my channel by now that you should know about, and if you don't, if you're brand new to it, go look them up, warm up first, and then come back and come and see me, okay? So we're gonna start off with, the first move starts on 2 and, an odd count to start on, but nonetheless. So you're gonna go 1, 2, and. My hands look like this. Okay, 1, 2, and if you want, we're gonna put a little bit of a head flick in. So I'm giving you my stylization of this combination, okay? But it is pretty much the choreography, right? So 1, 2, and you're gonna do a dramatic drop. When I drop, my hand's gonna come behind my head. Then you're gonna close, my elbow's gonna close in, and then come down. I'm gonna bring my hands behind me, and then I'm gonna bring them back onto my thigh. I'm gonna rise along my thigh, across my belly, up, round the back, and into the hair. And you're gonna keep pulling your hair upwards, like that, okay? So let's just do the arms again, actually. So it's 1, 2, and, that's nice and sharp on the beat. Then you come around the back of the head, close the elbows in, come down, you drop the head, dramatic head drop. I'm gonna look at you for the moment. And then, you're gonna bring your hands on your thighs, just so you can see what's going on with my hands. Glide up the thigh, across the belly, up around the back of the head and into the head, and you just keep the hair moving. Woo! Okay, so now we're gonna do it with the hair flick. Watch. So I'm in this position here. So all these movements, we're gonna get into in a moment, I teach in my school properly with a billion different variations and lots of different stylizations with my signature moves. So come to my school and learn with me properly, live on Zoom, or class recording access only, or in the studio in person with me in the flesh. Anyway, let's go. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hair 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go into the Mayas. Okay, so I'm going to continue because you can rewind and do that over and over again if you want to. Now the Mayas. Mayas are this. You have outward Mayas. Okay, where you go out, and you have inward Mayas that do this, also known as Taksim in the belly dance world, okay? Shakira loves to do this move a lot, and that's a movement that they feature quite a lot inside the Beautiful Liar music video, okay? So, let's do it. If you look at my Figure of 8 series on YouTube, there should be some quick tutorials on the Maya, okay? But again, to come to my school and learn with me properly, if you want all the juicy details, all the tips, and you want to be really awesome at it, come and train with me. Okay, so I'm not going to break down the Maya in this video, we're just going to do the combination. What are you going to do is after you come up, let's just do the hips first. You're going to do one-sided, 1, 2, 3, and lock it, okay? So this hip's doing a circle like this, 1.5 times. It goes round, round, lock. When I say lock, you're using your muscles and you're locking and isolating through the muscles. Again, I teach you how to do that properly in my school. So, off we go, over we go. 1, 2, lock it. Lock it on the down without straining a muscle, tummy nice and strong. Then you're gonna snake it inwards. Reverse the direction. Inwards, inwards, inwards. So they're like figure of 8s, yes? This way, outward Maya, and then inward Maya is coming in towards your belly button, in towards your belly button. Okay, so let's just do it a few times. Get our hair up, having a lovely time, having a wonderful time. And you've got round, round, lock, reverse it, in. Let's do that again. Round, lock, in. Okay, so the music I'm using at the moment for this is an original piece of music by Tribal from the Trap, so that I can teach you the choreography, but afterwards you might want to go and check it out and dance along with it. So bring it up, and we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hold it up, and we're going to shake it, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. They're hip drops. So if I was to do a basic hip drop, again, I teach you this in my school. Basic hip drops, what you're going to do is go faster. So, da, 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 da. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Okay, one more time. Ready? From the beginning, actually. 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hair 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to slow it down a little bit because it's a lot faster than this to the music. Ooh. Hold it. Shake, 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 shake. Hey. Okay, so this song is much faster than Beautiful Liar. So you can choose. I'm going to go to, I'll teach you slow, then we'll do to speed. But when you do it to the song, it's way slower, okay? So if you can do it fast, you can definitely do it slow. Anyway, let's do the next part of the, no, let's do it to speed. Let's do it to speed, try it. If it's too much, just keep going over it until you've got it, and then your next challenge will be to speed it up, okay? So you can progress with it, and you can hit rewind, do as many times as you want. 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, drop. 6, 7, 8, hair 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, in, shake, 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 hey. Last time like that, so it's quite fast. Be careful, maintain your muscles. In my school, I always teach you to dance from the inside out. Use as much muscles as you can, okay? It's very important. And also, you'll always become a better dancer if you use your muscles. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, drop. 6, 7, 8, hair, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then in, shake, 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 hey. When we do the hey, I'm gonna drop my hands. This one goes over my head, frames the side of my face. This one goes out. We're gonna do circles. Ba, ba. We're gonna look. Make sure you've washed your armpits, otherwise they'll stink. And you'll smell them. So ba, ha, over the top. Make sure you go up and over to change sides. Now you're gonna do snake arm. I added this in a little bit actually. She doesn't, well, Beyonce does it I think, and Shakira doesn't do it at this point. But anyway, nonetheless, I like it, so let's do it. Snake the arm, and then you're gonna do Maya's again. Da, 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 da. This is complete Maya this time. Out, 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 out. Da, 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 da. You do a big fat head roll, drop the hands, I bring them down, and my head is gonna go this way, round. They do something else here, but I like to do something else. I'm just gonna finish it off with something that I like to do, which is the head roll. So you're gonna go round, and then she says, hey. So you're just gonna come back to the front, and I'm just gonna do a hey. Big, massive hip lift and boing, hey, hey. Yeah, okay. So let's try it from the top with music. No, let's go slowly, one more time all the way through without the music, and then we'll go faster with it, okay? So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, drop, 5, 6, 7, 8, hair 1, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, snake, 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 inwards, shake, 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 hey, Beyonce, Beyonce, hey, Shakira, Shakira, hey, la 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 la, hey. All right, let's go with music. So I'm gonna crank the music up a little bit. Okay, this is obviously not Beautiful Liar, but it will do because it's Tribal from a Trap. Tribal from a Trap is my style tribal fusion, by the way. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hair 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and hey, ha, 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 head. Over 2, 3, head. Snake, snake, round. Hey. Woo! Okay, let's do one more time for luck, and then you can just rewind and do as many times as you like. 5, 6, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Snake, snake, snake. Shake, 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 shake. Hey. 1, 2, 3. Hey. 1, 2, 3. Hey. 1, 2, 3. Hey. Hey. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much. Please hit subscribe, follow, like, all that good stuff, and share a new video each week so stay up to date with it. And also it will really help me, and I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much.